Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can live stream to Twitch on Xbox Series S, X, and also Xbox One. So without further ado, let's hop into it. I'll show you how to do it. First step, ladies and gentlemen, is you want to go to this setting here. So you want to scroll over to the share section on your Xbox. Part of like the quick access menu. I'm gonna scroll down to live streaming, set up live stream. So this is how you link your Twitch account. You want to go to this website, twitch.tv/activate, and type in this code. So yeah, or you could just scan that QR code. So either or, yeah. Okay, so now I just went to the website, twitch.tv/activate, and I'm going to enter the code in here. And from there, I clicked authorize, give it full control. And as you can see, 102 Tavern, that's my Twitch. You want to go follow it. Live streaming, there's my logo. It's all set up. And now we can go stream right now. And we can adjust some of these settings as well, such as microphone if you want to be able to talk. Camera, if you want to actually plug in a webcam via USB, you can do that too. Go into audio settings, adjust your, game volume as well as your microphone volume. Now, I believe this is I can't access this because I don't even have a headset plugged in. So let me plug in my headset real quick and see if this will actually update on the fly. Okay, now I can turn the mic on and off. Okay, so that is true. I just plugged in my actual headset here. Okay. So it's still, so party audio, it's not letting me select that, obviously, because I'm not in a party, but you can select the resolution and bitrate. This comes down to your actual internet speed. So I'd say if you have an internet connection that has an upload speed of, I don't know, say over like 20 megabytes per second or something like that, I'd say this is decent option. But yeah, select, there's also websites that can tell you what the most optimal one is. Maybe just to be safe, select 720p at the start. And you can also add an overlay. As you can see here, you can put it whatever part of the screen you want. Adjust that again. You can make it compact or expanded. And you can also adjust transparency, increase that or decrease that. And usually overlays like your chat, stuff like that. Destination, so you can do Twitch, Livestream, and Streamlabs, which is pretty cool. So that's essentially it, guys. That's kind of, you can also change the streaming name if you want. Yeah, we don't have a camera plugged in, so that's not gonna work. But yeah, then you click go live and you're good to go. Audio, or the quality should be decent depending on your internet connection, but Xbox does a good job. It's probably using, probably the GPU to actually, output the data. I'm blanking on what the correct term is, but you guys know what I mean. Oh, encoder. Yeah, it's probably using the GPU encoder inside the Xbox and stuff like that. So, guys, found this video useful, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.